Why the fuck are they edging me like that, bro? Why the fuck when we about to sneeze, but why the fuck did they edge you on? Like,
What do
nigga,
you mean by that?
my body up and ready, just to sneeze, just to release whatever coming out the nose, whatever coming out the mouth, you know. Not saying that something will, but like, I be prepared. But nigga, when that shit stops, I don't know. That shit like, bro, why the fuck you build me up like that? Pause. Not like that, buddy. Slow it down. Maybe you gotta rework that shit. Maybe resume. Now talk, nigga. Hell no, that shit was a little too much, buddy. I don't know what you're thinking here.